The majestic moose, giants of the northern wilderness. The moose, a symbol of wilderness and solitude, is one of the most iconic creatures of the northern forests. Towering over the landscape, with its impressive antlers and powerful build, the moose is a marvel of adaptation and survival. Found across the boreal forests and tundra of North America, Europe, and Asia, these giants of the deer family inspire awe and respect. In this documentary, we'll explore the fascinating world of moose, delving into their biology, behavior, and their vital role in the ecosystems they inhabit. Moose, Alces alces, the largest members of the deer family, are truly colossal animals. Adult males, or bulls, can weigh between 800 and 1,500 pounds and stand over 6 feet tall at the shoulder. Females, known as cows, are smaller but no less formidable. Their long legs, humped shoulders, and elongated heads give them a distinctive appearance, perfectly suited to navigating their forested and marshy habitats. One of the most striking features of the moose is the bull's antlers, which can span up to 6 feet from tip to tip. These impressive structures are shed and regrown annually, reaching their peak size during the mating season. Antlers are not just a display of dominance, but also a sign of a bull's health and vitality, used in sparring matches to establish hierarchy. Watching two bulls lock antlers in a battle of strength and endurance is a breathtaking sight, underscoring the raw power of these creatures. Moose are well adapted to their cold northern environments. Their thick, insulating fur keeps them warm during harsh winters, while their long legs allow them to wade through deep snow and wetlands with ease. They are strong swimmers, capable of crossing rivers and even swimming for miles in search of food or to escape predators. Their broad, flexible hooves provide traction on slippery terrain and act as natural snowshoes. As herbivores, moose have a specialized diet that changes with the seasons. In summer, they feed on a variety of aquatic plants, shrubs, and grasses, often wading into ponds and lakes to reach tender vegetation. In winter, their diet shifts to twigs, bark, and evergreen needles, which are harder to digest but provide essential nutrients. Moose can consume up to 70 pounds of food a day, their large size requiring a constant intake of energy. Moose are solitary by nature, with bulls and cows typically living apart, except during the rut, or mating season in early autumn. During this time, bulls become highly vocal and aggressive, using deep bellows and grunts to attract females and challenge rivals. The rut is a time of high energy and tension, as bulls compete for the chance to mate, often engaging in dramatic clashes. Cows give birth to 1 or 2 calves in late spring, after an 8-month gestation period. These calves are born with reddish-brown coats and are surprisingly large, weighing up to 35 pounds. Within days, they are able to follow their mother and begin exploring their surroundings. The bond between a cow and her calf is strong, and the mother fiercely protects her young from predators such as wolves and bears. Calves stay with their mother for about a year before venturing out on their own. Moose play a critical role in their ecosystems. As browsers, they help shape the forest by influencing plant growth and distribution. Their grazing creates openings in dense vegetation, benefiting other species by increasing light penetration and promoting biodiversity. Moose are also a key prey species for large predators like wolves and bears, contributing to the balance of the food web. Despite their size and strength, moose face numerous challenges in the wild. Habitat loss, due to logging, urbanization, and climate change, has reduced their range and fragmented their populations. Warmer winters have led to an increase in parasites like winter ticks, which can severely weaken moose and lead to mortality. Road collisions are another significant threat, as moose often wander onto highways, posing dangers to both themselves and motorists. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the survival of moose populations. Protected areas, such as national parks and wildlife reserves, provide safe habitats where moose can thrive. Wildlife corridors help connect fragmented habitats, allowing moose to move freely in search of food and mates. Public education campaigns also play a vital role in reducing human-wildlife conflicts and raising awareness about the importance of moose conservation. Moose are deeply embedded in the cultural fabric of the regions they inhabit. Indigenous peoples of North America, such as the Cree and Inuit, have long revered the moose as a source of food, clothing, and tools. The animal is also a prominent symbol in folklore and mythology, often representing strength, resilience, and a connection to nature. Scientific research on moose continues to provide valuable insights into their behavior and ecology. Studies on their migration patterns, diet, and interactions with predators offer a deeper understanding of how these animals adapt to changing environments. Moose are also important indicators of ecosystem health, reflecting the impacts of climate change and human activity on their habitats. In popular culture, moose have become beloved icons, featured in everything from children's books to tourist merchandise. Their majestic presence and unique behaviors make them a favorite subject for wildlife photographers and nature enthusiasts. Yet it is important to remember that moose are wild animals, deserving of respect and space. As we marvel at the majesty of the moose, we are reminded of the delicate balance of life in the wilderness. And these gentle giants are more than just symbols of the North. They are vital to the health of their ecosystems and the cultural heritage of the people who share their landscapes. By protecting moose and their habitats, we also safeguard the intricate web of life that depends on their presence.